Okay, this week, you guys are going to be doing a lot of independent work as I am gone all week, and I want you guys to be able to learn some skills of what you can do a little bit every day to work on things. The first thing you need to do is remember to use your chapters 15 and 16 to do any calculations of speed, wavelength, and frequency. Most of this will be in chapter 15, not as much in chapter 16. Remember to show formula work and answer with proper units for each problem. It is not an option to just give me numbers or even numbers and units without showing me how you came up with the answer. This is not up for discussion. Okay, so let's look at number 1 here. We have a wave with a frequency of 60 hertz traveling through vulcanized rubber with a wavelength of 0.90 meters. What is the speed? So here, remember that speed is equal to the frequency times the wavelength, so you need to set it up that way. That's how you're going to set up problem number 2. And then we have problem number 3. The musical note A above middle C has a frequency of 440 hertz. If the speed of sound is known to be 350 meters per second, what is the wavelength? So there you're going to take speed and divide it by frequency to find the wavelength. Okay, same thing for number 4. I'm again asking you, what is the wavelength? Frequency, you end up taking speed and dividing it by wavelength. And then you have a couple of frequency alone, and then you're back to finding speed and then alternating between them. Okay? I think there's only 21. There's only 21 problems. You're either looking at speed, wavelength, or frequency. Make sure, again, to write out your formula, show your work, answer with proper units. Submit through Schoology.